Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and do you want to know the grown-up version of playing dress up with your face? Well, I have one word for you: eyeshadow. And this ShadowMoon Shadow Shield has really been helping me lately to get the most out of my eyeshadow looks. I don't wear eyeshadow every single day, but when I do, I really like to go for it and try out a new look. The thicker, more solid, rounded base makes it easy to firmly grip. The soft, somewhat pliable edge is great for conforming to the contours of my face and ensures complete contact to achieve that clean, defined line when that's what I'm going for. I have seen tons of adhesive shadow shields out there, but because I have sensitive skin, I don't really like the thought of any synthetic glue touching my skin and having to pull it off. It actually provides skin soothing and cooling benefits because of the fact that I can chill it in the freezer. This shadow shield has solved 2 eyeshadow problems for me, one being the fact that I often make a mess on my under eye. This shadow shield prevents all that mess from reaching my skin. It is also awesome for getting that really clean line when you're trying to go for that kind of lifted eyeshadow look. It kind of opens up my eyes the way that a winged liner can do without all the fuss of a wing liner. This shadow shield also gets major bonus points from me for how easy it is to clean. All I need to do was use a little bit of hand soap in the bathroom sink and it came clean in a few seconds. This reusable shadow shield has really upped my eyeshadow game and has helped me to gain more confidence in trying out some new looks. And that's my point of view.